some of the numbers given in the worksheet. Let's say I want to, here's the data of some sales data, which is arranged in the matrix, some north, south, east, west, and having a matrix with quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. Let's say in quarter 1 in the north region, we did this much of sale. In quarter 1 in south division, we did this much sale. East quarter 1 this much, west quarter 1 this much, and so on. Right now, I want to take the sum of sale of various quarters. Right, quarter 1 sale, total sale I want, division wise is given. I want the total sale here. Quarter 2 I want here total sale. Quarter 3, quarter 4. So there are multiple options how we can add the any of the given numbers. We are starting with our first function, that is the basic function. Just remember the golden rule for starting any function. Any function will start with a equal to sign. So first you need to jump to the desired cell where you want to perform the function. I have jumped here, right, in the cell B9. Now I want to start the function. I can just directly start typing here, or I can go to the formula bar. Okay, I'll prefer to type here. So the function will start with a equal to sign, right? Now just adding the various numbers, you can, first thing, which is the very easiest method but the manual process, you can just click on the desired cell which you want to add after pressing a equal to sign. Remember that equal to sign, this cell, then insert a plus symbol, then this cell, insert a plus symbol, this cell, insert a plus symbol, and this cell which is not visible, insert enter. I'll just make it bit wider so that it should be visible to you. Okay, so like this. Now you can see in the front, after pressing enter, in the front we are looking the value that is 5559, but this is not the actual thing content of, this is not the actual content of the cell. The actual content of the cell will be visible in the formula bar, right? So this value, the 55559, from where this value has arrived, you can just check out in the formula bar here. Perfect. Okay, so this was the first method of adding the various figures. Now second is the our core Excel function, which is a bit modified than this manual method. For starting any function, again we'll start with the equal to sign. Now you can just write SUMIF. You can see various functions are here. We'll look after it how we can access this function. So first, for we are inserting a sum, we just write, we just need to write equal to sign SUMIF open bracket. Now what we'll do, we just need to select the cell range how we learned before. For selecting a range, you just need to click on the start cell of your range, first cell of your range, and keep click active, and then just drag up to the last cell like this. Leave the click and close bracket and just press enter. You will get the value here, that is 6431, right? Now I don't want to insert the sum function again here. What I'll do, I'll just copy this formula. I have copied this formula. I'll go to the next two cells where I want the sum. I'll just paste the formula by using Control V, or we have the paste option here, like paste. So this formula was for this sum, for this cells. Now you can see this formula we have used C5 to C8 reference, right? When we just copy this formula just to the next of it, this formula will become, for C it was C5 to C8. For D column, we have pasted the formula in the D column, so the range will be D5 to D8. Then again, when we copy this and paste it here, the range will be E5 to E8. Is it cool? Got it, everyone? Just type in the chat box if you understood. No. Yes. Okay, great. Good to go. Perfect. I'll tell you one more thing. I hope you have understood this. I'll just delete those all. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll understand this next thing in the average function. Okay. So our next function is average function. Now I want to just take the average of this quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 sales. Now you might be thinking how you got to know that for average we need to type average, for sum we need to type sum. So guys, let me tell you, there are more than 450 functions in Excel. So for learning each and every function, just go to the formula tab. There we have the insert function option. In the formula tab, we have the insert function option. Everyone can see it. Just press on this. Here we get the function library. This is a function library. Just go and select all here. You can see I have more than 450 various types of functions, which we don't even know that Excel must be having this much. Okay. So we have lot many. Now, which function is of what use? We'll just check it out by going to the sum function. Go to SUM. Okay, it is some product, sum function. Okay, whenever I select any of the function, you will just get the description here below. What this function do? It adds all the numbers in the range of cells. Whatever range we are selecting, it adds all the numbers in those selected range, right? Now I'll go to average in the starting. In the A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, here's the average function. What it do? Returns the average, that is the arithmetic mean of its arguments, which can be numbers or names, arrays or references that contain numbers, right? So I'm using the average function. Okay, we'll just cancel it. So this was the function library which I wanted to show you. Here you can get it. We are learning few of the functions here. Few of the functions we will be learning in the advanced course, which will be which we are going to announce tomorrow. So first we'll learn the basic functions. Okay, so I'll go to the desired cell. I want the average here for quarter 1 cells. I'll start with a equal to sign, right? For starting any function, you just need to type equal to sign, right? Most of the people forget this and they just randomly start this and plus this and plus this, but that don't give you any result. Okay, so start with the equal to sign always. Press AVERAGE, average. Till now, when you are not knowing the average function, what we used to do, let's see, is equal to, we just start adding this plus this plus this in bracket, in bracket, because I hope most of you might be knowing the BODMAS rule. Bracket close, and we have added 4 numbers, so we'll be dividing by 4. That is how we calculate the average, right? 1389.75. But that was undoubtedly a manual procedure. What we'll do directly, let's say this is here we have just 4 numbers. What if we have thousands of numbers and we want the average of those 1000 numbers? So just type equal to sign, AVERA, average, open bracket, just select the range. Either you can select from bottom to top like this, or even you can just write the name range. You have got how we write the name range. We want to take the average of cell B5 to B8, right? So I'll just type manually by using keyboard B5 is to gives you the name range, that is all the cells starting from B5 up to B8, right? You can see the table array, the range is automatically selected, right? And close the bracket, just press enter. The same arithmetic mean we have got 1389.75. Now I want to copy this here and here and here. So again you have a simple trick. You don't need to use any control C or control V. Select this cell in which the formula is already written. You can see the toggle button here, the green square right at the bottom right of your selected cell. You can see the toggle button. When you move on that, you get the black plus symbol. Just click on it and drag to the other cell and just leave the click. Magic. All your this formula is copied for this, is copied for this, and this copied for this. You can just see the backend formula is here. In the formula bar, you can see the backend formula, what is there behind 1510.25.